Alright, welcome to Webster Grove's 8th grade science, goal 5, chemistry, video notes. The goal is that students are able to recognize and classify changes in matter as either chemical or physical. So you're able to look at a change and say, yep, that's chemical change, or nope, that's physical change. Going beyond that goal is explaining why. Why is it chemical, or why is it physical? Defending your classification of the change. Okay, so you have this graphic. If you don't have this graphic or this organizer, then you can print it off the website. We'll start with physical changes. Physical changes are changes in a substance that does not change the substance into a new one. Nothing new is being made. There's a change happening, but nothing new is made. A chemical change is kind of the opposite. It is a change in a substance that changes the substance into a different one. So something new that was not there before is being made. Similarities between a physical change and a chemical change, pretty obvious. They are both a change. A change occurs in both. So, when you look at a change, how will you know when it's physical? You will know it is a physical change when at the end of the change, you have the same substances you started with. That's always the question you need to ask. When you see a change, is it the same stuff or not? And if it is a physical change. Signs of a chemical change. Okay? A sign of a chemical change is a sign that tells you that something new has been made. Okay? So ultimately we need to ask, is something new being made? And if yes, then it is a chemical change. Signs that something new has been made, you may notice a production of an odor. Please draw that quick graphic and write the description. A change in temperature, a change in color, formation of a gas, and formation of a solid. So you'll see like production of an odor whenever someone is cooking. Like for example, when someone's cooking popcorn, you notice that production of an odor. That is a chemical change going on. Change in temperature. If there's ever anything that is on fire, okay, that is a chemical change. Also, like the hot and cold packs, chemical change going on. Change in color. This would be like something tarnishing, something rusting, something burning. This is not, for example, like dyeing water a different color, because that would be a physical change. You still have food coloring, you still have water. Formation of a gas, this would be like your baking soda and vinegar example. Okay, a new gas is being made. Formation of a solid. I know you can't see that down there, but that's formation of a solid. Okay, there you go. Now you can see it. This would be like a cake baking. Okay, a solid is being made. Okay, this is not a change in state of matter. This would not be like liquid to solid because you still have water. That's not a chemical change. Formation of solid, you think like something new is being made and it's turned more solid. Okay, moving on. Alright, so let's look at these examples. A bad haircut. Check out this poor guy. Okay, I think at this point you just have to cut it all off. I mean, there's no fixing that one. I mean, even if you put like racing stripes on both sides. Anyway, bad haircut. Physical or chemical? Definitely physical, because you still have hair. Nothing new is being made. Okay. Water boiling. You still have 2 hydrogens, 1 oxygen. You still have those molecules. Nothing new is being made. This is a physical change. Okay. You still have water. Could be liquid water, could be water vapor, but it's still water. Coke and Mentos, we'll look at that one in a second. A ripening banana. You have a new substance being made, okay? A totally rotted banana is a different substance than the normal, good-looking bananas that you eat. Signs of the change here going on. We have a change in color. If it gets too ripe, you will also notice a change in odor. Burning wood. Lots of signs of a change going on here. We have a new substance being made for sure. Ash. That ash was not there in the beginning. We have a change in temperature. We have a change in color. We have a change in odor. Okay, all these things point to the fact that wood burning is a chemical change. Okay, but we always have to ask ourselves, is there a new substance being made? Okay, let's look at Coke and Mentos for a second. Okay, ask yourself, chemical or physical? So just Diet Coke and Mentos. And also a lot of time. Pretty awesome. Anyway, I'm not going to show you the whole video, but you can look at this on YouTube. You get the idea. Okay. Turns out they actually used over 100 bottles of Diet Coke. Yep, pretty awesome. So, what do we have here? We have Mentos, and we have Diet Coke. Diet Coke has carbon dioxide in it. Is there a new substance being made? If we look at our signs, this is tricky, okay? Because, yeah, we could say that there is a formation of a gas, but we have to ask ourselves, was that gas there before? Okay, so was there carbon dioxide there before or not? And the answer is yes. Yes, there was. It was just dissolved in the Diet Coke. The Mentos just releases it faster. Okay, so this happens to be a physical change. Nothing new is being made. Although it looks cool, nothing new is being made. Okay, physical change for Diet Coke and Mentos. Go ahead and work these 5 examples and see if you can come up with chemical or physical change and why. Remember, explaining why is level 4. Bring a question back to class. If you have a question, bring it back to class and we can review these 5 examples if you feel like we need to. Thanks, and that's it, and that's all. Later.